Hi, hello guys. Welcome to the lesson. If you're new here, please subscribe and leave a comment. So we have a question here. It says, given 2 to the power of m plus 1 plus 2 to the power of m is equals to 3 to the power of n plus 2 minus 3 to the power of n, where m and n are integers. Determine the value of m plus n. So we having this equation here, 2 to the power of m plus 1 plus 2 to the power of m is equals to 3 to the power of n plus 2 minus 3 to the power of n. So here we're supposed to find m and n so that we can be able to determine m plus n, right? So this one we can separate it. So you're going to have 2 to the power of m multiplied by 2 to the power of 1. Okay, here we can also do the same, following the rules of exponent. Okay, then here you can take out the common factor. From this side, you can see the common factor is 2 to the power of m. So you can take out the common factor. So we're going to have 2 plus 1. Also, this side you can also take out the common factor as well. 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 minus 1, right? So now what we can do is that we can say 2 to the power of m divided by 3 to the power of n is equals to 3 to the power of 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, right? So now we can say from here that 2 to the power of m over 3 to the power of n is equals to 9 minus 1, which is 8 over 3, right? So now we can say 2 to the power of m over 3 to the power of n is equals to 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 8, and 3 to the power of 1 is also equals to is equals to 3. So what we can say here, we can say therefore m is equals to 3 and n is equals to 1. As you can see from here, the basis and the exponents have to be the same. So now our answers wanted us to find the question wanted us to find m plus n, which is going to be 3 plus 1, which is 4. So this is our final answer.